I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming carrier voicemail is active and that your iPhone 15 Plus has a cellular connection. This matters because disabling often involves carrier settings. Once done, back up any greetings or messages you want to keep. Save them to voice memos or another device. Now open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab. This is where iOS shows your voicemail interface and any carrier links. From here, you'll either access iOS options or get directed to carrier voicemail settings to proceed. Next, you focus on how to turn it off. Go to Settings, Phone, then Call Forwarding to ensure no forwarding triggers voicemail. Remove any numbers shown. If visual voicemail persists, open your carrier's app or dial the carrier's voicemail management code. Many carriers require that step to fully disable service. Make sure to request voicemail deactivation rather than deletion, because the carrier controls voicemail routing. If you see an option in settings to clear visual voicemail, use it after. Finally, restart your iPhone 15 Plus and test by calling your number from a different phone. You should get no voicemail greeting. If voicemail still answers, contact your carrier and ask them to fully disable voicemail on their side. This is often the required fix. Make sure to confirm they removed call routing to voicemail. If the carrier insists it's off but you still see voicemail, reset network settings as a last step. This clears cellular caches and often resolves lingering voicemail routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.